scientists still debate how tardigrades defy death so completely. Their ancient lineage holds secrets to extreme survival. Today, we dive into the incredible origin of water bears. These microscopic creatures challenge all understanding of life. They are practically indestructible, truly mind-boggling organisms. From deep-sea vents to outer space, they persist. How did such an extraordinary life form first evolve? Their story begins millions of years before dinosaurs. The first water bear was seen in 1773. German zoologist Johann Goeze described them initially. He called them kleiner Wasserbär, or little water bears. Later, in 1777, Lazzaro Spallanzani named them Tardigrada. This term means slow stepper, for their deliberate gait. Early scientists marveled at their bizarre appearance, yet their true resilience remained largely unknown then. Tardigrades belong to the superphylum Ecdysozoa, an ancient group. This group includes arthropods and nematodes, their cousins. Fossil records are scarce due to their soft bodies. However, a stunning find came from Amber in 2019. A 16-million-year-old tardigrade fossil was discovered. This specimen, Paradoriforibius horningi, offered clues. It confirmed their ancient existence and slow evolution, allowed their extreme unique anatomy diversification later, likely developed very early. Their incredible survival mechanism hinges on cryptobiosis. This reversible metabolic suspension is truly a remarkable feat. They can dehydrate into a ton state, appearing dead. In this state, they withstand radiation, vacuum, and freezing. They can survive temperatures from -272 degrees C to 150 degrees C. Some species endure doses of radiation 1,000 times lethal. This adaptation likely evolved in fluctuating environments. Periods of drought favored organisms that could pause life. Their ancient lineage perfected this survival mechanism. Understanding tardigrade origins informs astrobiology research. Could life on other planets employ similar strategies? Their DNA contains foreign genes, a fascinating mystery. This horizontal gene transfer is rare in animals. Scientists study their unique proteins for human benefit. Applications include vaccine storage and organ preservation. These tiny beings hold immense potential for our future. Tardigrades from ancient origins continue to astonish us. Their history reveals life's persistent and amazing adaptability. They remind us of nature's endless, intricate wonders. These water bears truly are Earth's ultimate survivors. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories of incredible life.